friends, welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to make Bhringaraj oil at your home. Bhringaraj oil is very useful in growing hair fast. You have to take 50 grams of Bhringaraj plant, the whole plant, and you have to wash them thoroughly well. Then you have to grind the plant using little bit of water. You have to grind them thoroughly. You can use all the parts including leaves and the stems and also as well as the roots of this plant. You have to grind it until you get a fine paste of the plant. You have to add another ingredients while you are grinding, such as you can add tulsi leaves. You have to add a little bit of tulsi leaves to this and grind them together. Then next I am adding small onions, exactly 10 grams of small onions for 50 grams of Bhringaraj plant. You have to grind these small onions with the paste too. You have to grind it really well, and finally you have to collect this fine paste of your Bhringaraj plant with tulsi leaves and small onions, and have to separate into another container. Now our paste is almost ready. Now I am going to transfer this paste into a bowl. Our paste is ready. Now using this paste we can make our Bhringaraj oil. I am using coconut oil to make Bhringaraj plant oil, using exactly about 50 ml of fresh coconut oil. Now you have to boil it with the Bhringaraj plant paste. You have to boil the oil first. You have to, may take little time to get boiled. Now I am going to transfer this paste into this oil. You have to keep this around for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to keep stirring this. You really have to keep it for at least 20 minutes for to get all the extracts from the Bhringaraj paste. Don't forget to add hibiscus petals. I am using 2 hibiscus flowers, and I am using all the petals into it. Hibiscus can also improve hair growth. You have to really stir them well for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes is over, you can take out this and allow to cool. Don't forget to stir for the next 20 minutes. Okay, now I have taken out the frying pan, and what I am going to do is filter this paste and separate the oil from the paste. You have to do it really carefully. You have to do it when the oil is cold, otherwise it will be dangerous. So this is how to prepare Bhringaraj oil at your home. Bhringaraj plant is known for its ability for the hair growth. In many pharmaceutical formulations nowadays, we are using Bhringaraj content for enhancing the growth of your hair. This can be easily done at your home like this. This is a good oil for quick growth of your hair. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.